Hi, I have a good news and a bad news. The good news is we're taking our immunity really seriously, and the bad news that this is not going to end. This is just the beginning. Now, why do I say that? Because the expert feels that the humans are going more and more close to the nature. We are cutting forest, and we are reaching out to the lands where we never went. Now, because of that, we are getting in close contact with the animals. And now these animals carry a lot of these are the host of lot of viruses and bacteria. Now these bacteria and viruses does not harm those animals, but when they come in contact with the human, they become deadly, and the same thing we are doing. We are getting more and more close to the animal. We are actually disturbing the nature, and because of that, the experts predicts that this is not going to end. This is just the beginning. This is just the trial we are seeing. Now I hope that this does not happen. What if this happens? Are we prepared for this? Now the question comes, how can I prepare myself? And the answer for that, guys, is immunity. Hi, my name is Gagan Thakur. I'm a software engineer come wellness entrepreneur. I'm a part of this wellness industry from last 4 years. I have learned a lot of stuff from the gurus, from the wellness experts, and that's what I'm going to share with you. It's going to be 100% practical, no bullshit, no bookish knowledge. Now let's talk about immunity. So when we see a lot of ads, we see everybody is talking about you can just pop up this pill or do this thing and you'll boost the immunity. Unfortunately, it doesn't work like that. Then how does it work? So you cannot just boost your immunity by popping a pill or just doing something for a day or two. It's something which works in synergy. There are a lot of things that you need to do, and that's why I have designed this EARNS system. Now EARNS means E stand for exercise, where we'll be talking about exercise and the importance of movement. Then A stand for positive mental attitude, R stand for rest, N stand for nutrition, and S stand for spirituality. So in these 5 days, I'll be taking you through all this thing in detail, and I'll be giving you tasks so that you can do the task and not just learn but implement the stuff. So if you still have any question, click below. See the video, read the testimonials. If you still have any doubt, ping me on WhatsApp, and I think now you're convinced. If not yet, ping me on WhatsApp. Let's chat and see you on the other side. Have a nice day. Bye bye.